Hello lovely people, how you doing? Hope you're well. Alright, today lesson 15. What we're going to be doing is you're going to be doing a speaking. Now, in other parts of the world, not so much here in Spain, but definitely in the US and other parts of the world, everyone's really on top form when it comes to distance learning, and they use Facebook groups to create exclusive groups for students. So what we've done here is we've taken it and we've adapted that. What we're going to do, we are going to use a Facebook group, which is Wine Aspects Academy, which is going to be our new webpage as well, with all our courses. And what you're going to do is you're going to, if you want, you can send in or apply to become a member, and then we will accept you as a member if you're a student and if you're doing English for wine lessons or wine lessons at home, and if you're doing other wine aspect courses. Then what you will have is you will have different skills or different tasks to do, and then you can pop on a video talking in English, and there you can share with the rest of the people, and we will correct your videos individually. What better can you get from that, eh? That is brilliant. That's superb. Yeah, that's what you call service. All right, lovely people. So don't forget, have a look at lesson number 15. There you'll find the group. Apply for it, apply as a member, I'll accept, and then put your video on there. Everyone can have a look at the video because I'm sure it's going to be something useful for everyone, and then we will give you some corrections about your speaking. And we're going to do that with lots of other activities as well from Wine Aspects. See you later, lovely people. Enjoy, yeah? Enjoy the summer, yeah? Even if it's not the summer, and this is one of the courses that this video has been put into, which it will be put into, but enjoy the summer and speak soon. See you later, lovely people.